Hello, my name is Elliot Flinsky. I'm an RA at Court 17, and we are going to take a look at a normally 4-person bedroom with 2 bedrooms, each housing 2 beds, though during COVID, it's currently just 1 person per bedroom. So off to the right, we just have some storage. It's just heavy coats, some shoes, anything you can choose. And then to the left, we have a washer and dryer. Most college rooms don't have that, so it'll be quite nice for all students. On your right, we have bedroom A and bedroom B on the left. The only difference is that the bathroom is outside on bedroom B. And coming into the more community area, we have the kitchen, fully stocked with a fridge and freezer. Anything you need for cooking, you'll have it here. Coming into the living room / dining room, each room, unless said otherwise, will come with a table for eating and 1 desk per student for computer and any schoolwork they need to do, and also 1 to 2 couches and some nice views. So bedroom-wise, starting with bedroom A, you'll have your bathroom inside, shower, toilet, sink. Again, full bathroom. Don't need to worry about not having some stuff, though you will need to buy your own toilet paper and shower curtain. You also have a nice closet, fairly spacious. With 2 people it can get a bit crowded, though you shouldn't need to worry. And as you can see, the last person here set this up for 1 person. So you'll have quite a large bed space. It is twin XL, and you'll have access to a drawer and a small cabinet per person. Heading into bedroom B, it is almost the exact same, though the bathroom is outside with toilet, shower, everything you need again. The walk-in closet. And of course, this room still needs to have its bed set up for the move-in season. You will need to buy your own lamps though, as the bedrooms do not come with light. It is kind of odd, though it's not too bad, as you do have a window almost every time. And this is the 2-bedroom room. Once again, have a good one.